There is nothing more frustrating than looking down and seeing a wet spot on your shirt or realizing you just wasted liquid gold into a disposable pad. I was tired of throwing away milk and dealing with sore nipples, so I bought the top 5 breast shells to see which ones actually work. I'm going to show you which ones stay hidden, which ones catch the most, and which are just uncomfortable. Product number 1, Momkazi Breast Milk Collector. I started with the Momkazi Collector. Immediately, I noticed the silicone felt thicker and softer than some of the cheaper options I've touched. It doesn't feel flimsy. The biggest win here is the capacity. It holds 3 ounces, which is honestly impressive. If you have a heavy letdown, this is a lifesaver because you aren't running to empty it every 10 minutes. I also really like that the shell has a flat bottom. When I took it out of my bra and set it on the table to deal with the baby, it didn't tip over and spill everything. It fits snugly, but because it's a bit larger to hold that volume, it's not the most invisible option under a tight t-shirt. But if you produce a lot of milk and want to save every drop without constant leaks, this is the heavy hitter you need. Product number 2, LV Catch. Then I switched to the LV Catch. Holding these, they feel much more premium and streamlined. The design is unique because it's meant to lay totally flat against your breast to be discreet. When I wore these under a regular shirt, you could barely tell they were there, which is a massive plus if you're going out. They have this slip-proof silicone skirt that actually keeps them in place. I moved around a lot and they didn't shift or leak. The capacity is smaller, only about 1 ounce per side, so I had to empty them more often than the Momkazi. But for comfort, these were top of the line. I wore them for 3 hours without that digging sensation you get from hard plastic. If you need something invisible for work and aren't leaking buckets at a time, these are worth the extra cash. Product number 3, Haka Pedal Soft Silicone Milk Collector. Next, I looked at the Haka Pedal. These felt different right away because they are ultra-thin and extremely flexible. Unlike the others that are rigid cups, these feel like a second skin. I loved that it's just one piece. There are no parts to assemble or lose in the dishwasher, which saves so much headache. I found these to be the most gentle on sore nipples. If you're dealing with that raw friction from clothing, these create a nice little protective bubble without adding bulk. They hold about 1 ounce, similar to the LV, but they are softer. They stayed hidden well, but because they are so soft, you do have to be careful when pulling them out so you don't squeeze the milk out by accident. If your nipples are sensitive and you hate washing multiple tiny parts, you'll love the simplicity here. Product number 4, Medela Breast Milk Collection Shells. I also tested the Medela Collection Shells. Medela is everywhere in hospitals, and these have that classic functional medical feel. They aren't trying to be fancy, they just work. The silicone back is flexible and shaped to cup the breast, while the hard outer shell protects you from bumps. What I appreciated most during testing was the pour spout. Some shells make a mess when you transfer milk to a bottle, but this spout is designed well to prevent spills. They felt a little bulkier than the LV or Haka, giving me a bit of that Madonna bra look, so I probably wouldn't wear them under a tight shirt. However, as a barrier to keep fabric off sensitive skin while collecting excess flow, they do the job. If you already use Medela pumps and want something reliable and easy to pour, these are a solid, no-nonsense pick. Product number 5, Zidalmi Breast Shells with Plugs. Finally, I checked out these Zidalmi breast shells that come with little plugs. That was the first thing I noticed, the plug on top. Most shells have an open vent, which means if you bend over to pick up the baby, you spill. These allow you to plug that vent. I tested this by leaning forward, and it definitely adds a layer of security against leaks. The silicone is soft and helps relieve pressure if you're engorged but can't pump right away. They hold a decent amount and are great for letting sore nipples heal since they keep the fabric away. The downside is remembering where you put the tiny plug when you wash them. But if you are active and constantly bending over to pick up toys or kids, having that option to seal the shell is a huge benefit. Plus, they are usually very budget-friendly. To wrap this up, all 5 will save your milk, but your choice depends on if you need massive capacity, total invisibility, or just nipple protection. I've put links to all of them in the description so you can check the current prices and see what's on sale. Thanks for watching and good luck with your breastfeeding journey.